This is actually a totally new, fresh build. This car is actually a metallic black. All the other Purosangues we have done are solid black, matte black, white, matte gray. This is the first one in a gorgeous metallic black. Really nice because it has like little silver flakes to it. Full Venom kit. Also, this is the only Venom kit we have gotten that is technically supposed to be a painted kit, not forged carbon. However, we were able to preserve some of the carbon on this car. We're not supposed to leave any exposed carbon on this kit. It's supposed to just be a painted kit, but Venom still makes it in carbon. It's just not an exposed carbon. Only one like it in the world right now. You got the carbon fiber on the bottom portion of the bumper. You got even carbon fiber on this little portion of the hood right here. Just like the traditional like SF90s, the F8s, they have that option. So that's really cool to see, but the rest of it has been color matched. Flares, not carbon, color matched. So all beautifully color matched. We got MV forged wheels here, really clean with the fake center locks. So you don't see the bolts. Really nice 23, 24-inch setup as we normally do. And the Novatec springs, so we're able to lower this car. You got about 2 fingers. This car is on a crazy sophisticated hydraulic suspension, so you can't tweak with it too much. This is the lowest we could go. These parts right here painted. Normally this isn't forged carbon, but honestly, super clean in the painted configuration. It almost looks like factory came like that, really nice. We put the OEM shield, which is the only place that does that is here at RDB, so that takes work. Carbon fiber mirror caps, full carbon fiber side skirts, which is a really nice touch to have. Came out really nice. As you can see, it's also carbon when you open the door. And then obviously the molded flares over here looks really clean. Again, in that metallic factory black color. Carbon fiber roof spoiler, carbon fiber wing, and then the diffuser is also paint matched, but we did leave the carbon fiber fins right there. Complete black on the emblems. The metallic black really hits, honestly. You wouldn't think it's such a difference to the solid black, but honestly, with the little exposed carbon we left throughout, goes really hard. Really nice car. This one might also be available for sale, so if you guys interested, let us know. We have another Purosangue in progress. We have another kit coming. A lot of Purosangues here at RDB, but let us know your thoughts. I think there's another one, very clean, and like I said, this is not the same one we just released. This is a completely new, fresh build. That's how fast we do it.
Getting too old for this shit. Let's use the table, guys. What table? There's shit's a f***ing whorehouse here.
Simpson? Yeah.
Bart Simpson? Why the fuck are you calling Bart Simpson? That's his nickname?
Big head.
I think Christopher Nolan uses one of these for IMAX. Alright guys, so we are here in front of this beautiful 2018 Porsche GT3. This is a non-RS model, but still very beautiful, kept in great condition. This one was a pretty big damage actually on the other side. Javier is putting on the replacement wheels right now. It had stock wheels, but the customer did want to change them out for some white ones. But this is where the area of impact was when the car first came in. It was smashed. destroyed. The whole suspension, quarter panel, outer wheelhouse, pretty much everything here. Tail light as well. So here we are. The end is near, and we have everything put together, all brand new parts. Quarter panel is painted, color matched to the rest of the car. It did have a PPF on it as well, Satin PPF. I don't know how long it's been on there, but it was a very long process to take all that PPF off. Again, the customer did want to remove all the PPF. He might want to lower it, so there's still a lot to do, but look at the beautiful car, and it's all put together, and enjoy it until we do some more changes to it.
It's a 4x4.
Oh.
You should know this.
All right, you guys, we have this beautiful white, actually satin white, 4x4. Tires half the size as me, but we're gonna put bigger tires on that are bigger than this. So that's what we're doing. We're putting some nice 24-inch wheels on here, satin black 24s. That's it. It's a one-day job. Everything's almost ready. We're gonna put it on. We'll show you guys when it's done. This thing's already like massive, but the new wheels that we're gonna put on, it's gonna make the car look so much nicer. Okay, so this is already a really cool truck. This is like a very simple, nice two-tone black and like tan kind of interior, white tan. Looks really, really cool actually. That's about it for this one. Nothing much, nothing else.
I enjoy poquito coffee. I just started this morning. I have another 2026 Purosangue car coming last week, and we're gonna start today to do the wide body kit. Right now I try to match. See how this coming, the mold coming like this. We have to make it fit right, so we don't need to show gaps. And after the finish like this, for example, see this one have a gap right here. So all this one we try to fix it, and we have to make it good, you know, like all the parts we have to match first before paint.
Oh.
I'm gonna do the other side right now. I just let him dry this one for the moment, and I'm gonna start grinding the other side to glue that one. All right, and see you soon.
All right, guys, here's a Rolls Royce wide body for a special client. We don't have time to film it, but here you go.
All right, you guys, we have a Maybach here. You guys are familiar with this car. This car was here not too long ago, I think a few weeks ago. We did the light up emblems on this car on the two sides, both sides. Quarter panels, we did the light up emblems. We did the trunk light up emblem. He has a lot of chrome going on, so we're gonna take these chrome pieces off and put all black Maybach logo and the V12s on this thing, along with the rear Maybach S600. We have all those in gloss black. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it on so everything matches, looks good, and that's it on this one.